my name is Farah. So today I'm going to represent my team in order to present the project proposal that we have selected for this subject. So we, from all the field that is suggested, we have selected agriculture as our topic and our project name as Padi. So why is it Padi? Because we are focusing on the paddy farmers that is in Malaysia. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to empower local paddy farmers through the innovative use of technology. So basically, this is a rough review what you should expect from us. So this is our team member consists of 4 people: Aiman, Haris, me, Farah, and Hakim. For all of us are going to work along in this project. Okay, so going through this, I'm going to present all these 5 main items: introduction, problem statement, solution, use case, and also included with the prototype mockup. Alright, let's start with the introduction. So Padi is actually what we want to do is we want to help Malaysian farmers to manage their fields more effectively with the uses of technology aligned with the government missions toward digitalization. So in the budget of Malaysia government 2025, they want to focus more on the digitalization. So this is why we want to how we want to set align our target with the government, because we believe that this is a good idea that it could benefit the farmers. Okay, and also the recent statement given by our Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security, Datuk Seri Muhammad bin Sabu, he mentioned that the country, Malaysia, will start in the agriculture sector. He want to start focusing on the paddy and rice sector. So from here we can see that instead of just using the traditional way, why don't we start using technology and our ideas in helping this sector and also ensuring the food security in our country. Okay, so this is a roughly plan based on what we understand from the government missions toward the food security. So we believe that this could be a good idea to help. Alright, and the problem statement. So why we want to do this at the first place? Because we realize that there is non-centralized farming operations. There is most of the time in the manual ways, what the farmers are actually doing is they are recording things manually, or they just put it inside their brain, remembering all the schedules. So they did not have things write down. So it's kind of not consistent. It's not centralized, because things could be sometimes be in this way and then sometimes could be in that way, could be in their own way. So it's not a good thing. And also inconsistent farm management, because sometimes they feel like they want to do it like this and there is no exact schedule or a proper way in actually doing that. So if we don't have a proper schedule, we don't have a good tracking, how are we going to produce good paddy for the country? And another way is manual tracking of fertilization. They only put it in a manual way in the papers. Okay, this is the next time where they're going to fertilize the paddy. So there is a risk where the paper could be missing around or lost. So we want to, at least when we have a system, they can start to take a look on that tracking better. And also, as extra features, we want to add on the weather real-time updates, because we realize that sometimes the farmers, they cannot predict when is the rain is coming, when is the flood, when is typhoon or everything. So when we have that in the system, so actually we can alert them so they can prepare on what they want to do on their own paddy farm. Okay, so this is all the phrases that we're going to use most of the time, because it was related to our system and related to our client, which is the farmers. So seeds, fertilizers, weather, pesticides, harvesting, crop techniques, disease, rice, irrigation, all this. Okay, jumping into the solution, how we want to solve this briefly, we are going to introduce several modules, which is user management, fertilizer management, cultivation activity tracker, pest and disease management, and weather monitoring alerts. So for the use case diagram, this is how the interaction with the system going to be like. So we have the users with all the modules earlier on introduced, and we also have the administration, which we handle any new user registration, and also the weather API that we will connect. Because we did not develop the weather, it's just that we connect it with the API so that it can exist in our website. So for the prototype and mockup, I will explain more on the modules in the prototype and mockup section. So jumping in, this is how roughly our website is going to look like. Okay, when after they log in, they will enter this page. They can see the weather, they can see what's their main menu, what they're going to do next, and then we also have a features calendar. And when they click on the weather, they can see more details about the wind status, the UV index, humidity, visibility, so they can plan this thing better. And also some snapshot of the nearby cities, so they can just have a briefly news about what happened on the city next to them. Okay, so when they go to the fertilization, they can see which fertilizer, so steps and guidance, we are going to put that. Okay, so jumping back to the... hang on. Okay, after you click on the weather, you can actually see this as well. We are want to put this one so they can actually see the map of their real farm. So actually we are targeting on Alosta Kedah because they have a lot of paddy field there. So yeah, when at least they can know which area they are located at. Okay, so yeah, actually that was all. Preview how our system is going to look like, and I hope it can make you understand about it. Thank you.